So this video is about the watch band that I purchased from Amazon. And the reason I purchased this watch band is my Fitbit Charge 2. The band broke, which is a very common problem. Basically, it would fit through here, but it doesn't fit very cleanly, and I don't want to lose this, which is what happened to my previous Fitbit. The setting here is actually broken, so it will not hold in place. So I purchased this from Amazon. I'm just going to unbox it. Okay, so it contains the band, which I picked a metal band, and it contains a screwdriver so that you can, if the band is too large, you can pop out one of these, I'm not sure what you call it, but you can pop it out to reduce the size of the band once you attach it. So I'll do another review on me attaching this at a later date. If you have any questions in regards to this video, please post the comment below and I'll be sure to answer it. And if you like videos on technology or gadgets or digital Nikon DSLRs, particularly the D5300 and the D5600, please consider subscribing to my channel where you'll be notified of new videos. Thanks.